Cut.
Go, likod!
The strong pass intended for Hernandez, and this time here comes Trinidad. Trinidad slides down the middle, all the way up. Battle for the ball. Won by Serna. Serna, pass to Hernandez. And there goes another basket. It's another deadlock tie of 19-all, the second deadlock of the ball game. Trinidad setting up the way for home center. Pinasa bola kay number 21. That's Gito, Christopher Gito.
Shoot!
Another short attempt could have been a pass to number 22.
Shoot! Sayang.
And this time here comes Jun Luque.
Trap!
And another conversion by Jun Luque.
It was a trap.
Oh, syempre, playing coach. Lisensyadong tumira.
Naku! Baba!
This time here comes number 29. That's Domingo. Domingo to Hernandez. He fakes. Back to Garcia. On the layup. It's a sorry miss attempt. Battle to the loose ball. One by the home center.
Ayun.
Here comes number 11. That's De La Cruz. De La Cruz. To Pamiñano. Pamiñano. Drop pass. And there it goes. Pamiñano for the follow-up. 21-all. The fourth deadlock of the game. And there goes Jun Luque.